So I just got here to the base camp and I'm waiting for my brother and dad to come here, and they got the bikes and everything. Then we're gonna take out, go round up some cows and calves. This is the trailer load of horses right here. There ain't no such thing as a four-legged horse in Nebraska, ain't that right?
Just enough for me.
Are you guys eating lunch now? Is that
Yep. Because it might be a long time before we get back.
Now that's real ladylike. She says, "Piss on you." I say, okay. So we failed at getting the cows and calves across the creek. Jason's gonna try to tackle this one. Seems like it's been back there forever.
Sure makes you remember things. Man, it's just got to breed mosquitoes in that marsh there.
Oh yeah, all kinds of water. I don't know if that water's always been there, or if it's just the recent rain.
It's kind of leaning over there.
Oh, you can see
The
it?
sign's still up, but the trees have grown.
Oh yeah, I see it. Just leaning down. You see it from right here. There it is. Timber camp. Hidden back there a ways. Trying to get out of the picture. Does he mind if I back up?
Yeah, it is.
There you can see it. There it is, the tin. Must just be weathered. What are we doing today, Brady?
Man, look at that glass on that camera. Woo! Today, we're going on a snake hunt and a beaver hunt. We're going to do a little excursion on the White Horse. It's pretty extreme for Lincoln County, but we're going to attempt it today.
Jason, any final thoughts?
It'd be a good paddle.
Good paddle.
If it's not a good paddle, you're going to get a paddle in, right? Brady, you want to do the famous? So just have the house there, then maybe like have a little look out there on the other side for Pikes Peak view, you know.
Oh. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Mistake.
Howdy, boys.
He got the airplane.
You got an airplane? Where's the airplane? Oh, there's the airplane.
Oh.
You do? Is it an El Hibyang duck line?
Oh, it is. We're on a Hibyang land.
Oh man, ladies and gentlemen, this is the famous Hibyang property right here. You got to grant permission from Hibyang to come in this place, otherwise he will go full Donaldo on you. So. Oh, Shallow Hal, yeah. Didn't we watch that one? Yes. That's a pretty good movie. Man, they just can't make good comedies now because everything's so politically incorrect. Backpedal. Oh, he failed. Head-on collision. For Jason's performing a pass. Didn't work out too well. We're having a race, Jens. Who's gonna win? You are? All right. This is for you, El Hibyang. Next time you're coming with us on this river, if you watch this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're on our road to 1 million subscribers, ain't that right, Brady?
Yeah, you're supposed to smash it.
Smash that like button. You're supposed to smash that like button and then throw an axe on that subscribe button. That's what you're supposed to do.
Your opposites with it. Maybe
Maybe you'll get more. Tell people to thumbs down and unsubscribe. And maybe you'll get
I'm afraid they will.
Wouldn't be a complete visit without seeing my mounds. Shake. Mere paw mounds. Shake. Mounds. Pleased to meet your acquaintance, mounds. Anything to say for yourself, mounds. Make sure you scrunch that subscribe button, or is it smash? I don't know. I don't know what these kids say these days. It's your life. Record it. See you on the next video. Peace.